Hey guys, welcome back to another one of my videos. So in today's video, we're going to be making an aesthetic intro using my movie. So I actually enjoyed making the other video using Willow, so I'm just going to start by making the clips 30 seconds long each, because you can't actually split the clips on my movie, so you just make it shorter using time after you click on the clips. So then after I made it like the length, like the time that I wanted it to last, I added some text, and of course I'm gonna add chick days because that's my channel name. And then I'm gonna make it bigger, and I'm gonna change the color and then adjust it like how I wanted it. So here I am just like choosing. So my movie has a lot of cute colors that you can use, and the images that I'm using to make my intro, I got them from Google. Like, it's so easy. You just search up aesthetic abstract images, and then you just like screenshot it. So I screenshot it and then cropped it using a photo editor. I used Polish for my Android device, but I think you can use any device, like any photo editing app, as long as you can crop it. So then I'm just gonna reorder the clips just to like how I want it to look. So then I'm gonna move the text to the other one, and there we go. I'm just gonna adjust it a little bit, and then I'm going to just fix up any errors that I could have had, and I'm gonna click on animate so it looks like, so the text isn't just so boring and it's gonna look cooler. So I put the one where it like sort of fades in. Then I'm gonna choose an effect to add on the image. I'm gonna choose surge, so I'm just like trying to click on it. You have to like click on it really hard, like apply pressure on it so you can get it. So after I did that, because I wanted the cool wavy effect, so like if you want so here's the thing, I recommend using my movie. Here's a tip. So like in another video editing app, or just like like any other app where you can add text, you just like do it like that, and then it'll look wavy using the surge effect on my movie. So after that, I'm going to adjust it a little bit, and then I'm gonna add a transition, and then I'm gonna add another effect on the other image. So I'm gonna use, I think it has a lot of cool effects, but some of them are for premium, and like I said in my other video, I'm too broke to buy premium. So I'm just gonna choose the one that says there, and then I'm gonna extend it for the duration, and then I'm just gonna like make sure that there's nothing on the transition part of it. So yeah, and then I'm gonna add some gift stickers. I searched up a cute subscribe button, and this one is so cool because it actually changes color when you click, and it looks like you click on it. And I also searched up a little mouse cursor for the subscribe button, and I'm just gonna apply it. So I'm gonna go back and search for and look for it. You can see that I already, so when you use it, it appears there, so it's easier for you to access it. And I actually really like my movie for these cool stickers that they have. And so I'm just gonna see if everything is smoothly and just adjust any dumb mistakes that I made. And I'm also gonna add some music. So my movie has cool music, but the best aesthetic music is in the dance area. I use Dance on the Moon, and I really like it. So I'm just gonna like shorten it a little bit because the beginning of the song is a little like quiet, and I want like as much sound on it. So after that, I'm going to just see if everything went smoothly, and it does. But the problem now is the watermark. So you can watch an ad to remove the watermark. So my movie, it does for me. I don't know why, but it didn't disappear. So what I had to do is literally go to InShot and crop it out. But either way, even with the watermark, it still works. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!